Welcome to the exclusive and multiple award-winning Riverbanks Clinic. Whether you visit our flagship clinic in Harpenden or attend our Harley Street clinic in London, at Riverbanks you are assured that you will receive first-class medical care in a tranquil, private and relaxed environment. The market for Botox and dermal fillers has exploded in recent years, and it seems as if you can have these treatments done about anywhere in the high street. Or is it really that easy to have a treatment of quality with safety guidelines and an experienced doctor's hand just about anywhere on the high street? Let's go and find out.
Hello.
Hello, Dr. Jane. Talk us through the products that you are using here at Riverbanks Clinic.
At Riverbanks, we use the safest products and that have all been approved by many countries' authorities. Okay, so we use a product called Restylane, which has been used in over 20 million injections in the world so far to date, which is phenomenal. It's the most used product in the world, and it's the safest product with the highest number of safety studies attributed to it. Also, we've used the latest range from Restylane themselves called Emervel, which really has taken the technology of the fillers even further. How
do they work?
They work by mimicking the skin's natural hyaluronic acid, which is the kind of the sponge, the support layer in the skin. And what we're doing, we're just trying to replace that volume that's lost in the skin, but it also hydrates the skin very nicely, particularly the latest innovation called Restylane Skinboosters.
And Julia, you had Botox and the Skin Booster done, haven't you?
I had Skinboosters, but what Ravi did was actually treated my whole face. And when I had my Botox done, I had in between my eyebrows, my frown lines, and at the side of my eye.
And how do you feel?
I feel brilliant. After I've had it done, it makes me feel great. I walk out and within sort of 3 to 5 days, my skin feels really, really good. So less wrinkles, but you still see movement. And then with the Skin Boosters, I feel plumped up. My skin feels very soft.
You look fabulous, Julia. And Dr. Jane, which other parts of the face can Botox and these fillers and anti-wrinkle injections, for that matter, be used on?
They can be used almost anywhere on the face, but the key of treatments and successful treatments and treatments that produce natural looking results is to carefully identify the areas of the face which have that need treatment. And it's not always one place. In fact, it's very rarely just one place. It's usually lots of places around the face. And with a careful and artistic and skillful surgical eye, you can then really just apply the treatment in techniques which will give the best results with the least amount of downtime.
And let's chat through the safety aspects of these products. How safe are these fillers?
Non-permanent fillers, so temporary fillers such as the Restylane range and the Emervel range, are extremely safe. As I said, there have been hundreds and hundreds of studies on these products to confirm their safety in the skin. It is the semi-permanent and the permanent fillers that have more risks attached to them, and maybe people are aware of seeing these sorts of horror stories on TV shows in the press. Those have all been attributed to permanent fillers. However, it's not just the product that you have to bear in mind when it comes to safety, it's also the injection technique and who's injecting. Is that person able to identify the different layers in the skin, in the tissue, in the muscle, in the fat, around the blood vessels? Are they able to avoid those areas? Because if you block a blood vessel with a dermal filler, that can lead to serious problems. So it's not just the product that needs to be safe, it's also the injection and the injection technique that needs to be safe.
But here at Riverbanks, all of these aspects really come together successfully, don't they?
We try our best, absolutely. We are constantly updating our skills by attending international congresses. We're invited now to be able to talk and teach on these international congresses, and we ensure that our patients can have the highest and latest technology with the safest product.
Dr. Ravi Jain is an international expert and highly experienced in the field of Botox and dermal fillers. If you would like a safe and successful treatment that addresses all the issues you'd like solved and still maintain your natural features, contact Riverbanks for a consultation today.